Look under these roots, baby, they're beautiful. Wow. I'm fam and I came from Earth. No Martians, chocolate-coated strawberries on tart tongues, grown from organic soil at our garden home. We ate life like healthy treats and scones, while big tech fake God and banks borrowed loans. We invested in seeds, used mushrooms as our bones. Lemon plot twist to our story, fight zombies for wild zones. Everything we planted made a prayer for moms, and a prayer for lives lost to disease or bones. Discover history buried in the dirt like catacombs. Art under time, hurt inside joy, worms eating bones. Ancient is the future, fortunes untold. On a mineral globe, our emerald told me that I am made of the earth's infinite home.
It's a beautiful musical landscape. Forming a unified theme. Conscious planet, baby.
Living in a net, Wi-Fi free, the best connection. Terror from a scroll. Love this earth,
Hey love, come bring your magnifying glass. Seeds, water and sunlight. Seeds, water and sunlight. Water and sunlight.
Mama, I have a question.
What's the best fertilizer for your soil? Pacific carries child and scientists now. It's the farmer's good love, love and soul. A dance of life and death, water and toil. The oldest story humans ever told was a mushroom came painted from a compost pile. Back when the yoke led a holy cost life. Back when yoga blessed and breathed the soul. Nothing was separate, response and call.
back to the garden. Wow, baby, look at this fruit that you've grown.